If you're like me, you hate carrying around an umbrella. Let's be honest, they're pointless. When you spend money on an expensive one, you end up leaving them in a Lyft or an Uber, and when you buy a cheaper one, 10 seconds later, it never fails to end up getting blown out by the wind. Even if you manage to keep a hold on one, you have to carry around this cumbersome metal rod wherever you go. This is Richard from A Man About Style, and today we are going to solve that problem because we are talking about the rain jacket that you need for spring and fall. Who is North & Mark? North & Mark is a New York City men's outerwear brand that focuses on traditional silhouettes and blends them with cutting-edge performance fabrics. These pieces are generally waterproof, wind-resistant, and of course flexible. Their goal is to eliminate the man who looks like they're going on a Arctic excursion when really they're just trying to go to work. Now, they've been featured in publications such as Men's Journal, Wired, and my personal favorite, amanaboutstyle.com. Today we are going to be going over a quick unboxing and reviewing the Maxwell hooded parka. The Maxwell hooded parka is a mid-weight, water-resistant hooded parka. This parka retails for $295 USD, and it comes in 3 different colorways: black, khaki, and navy. Navy and khaki both have a red blanket stripe, with the black coming with a white or silver, depending on the light, blanket stripe. Now, these jackets are made of 3-layer waterproof and windproof fabrics that have 4-way stretch. This makes it perfect for anyone who lives in a moderate climate or anyone looking for a transitional jacket. Now, when it comes to care of any garment, you should always look to see what a garment is made of. This jacket, the shell lining is made of 91% polyester and 9% spandex, while the lining is going to be 90% nylon and 10% spandex. Now, good news, gentlemen, this jacket will save you some money at your dry cleaner because you can machine wash it at home. They do recommend that you machine wash it in warm on a gentle cycle and hang dry it. On a non-apparel note, North & Mark nails presentation. Now, imagine that I were to give you an expensive gift and I just put it in 2 plastic bags and I gave it to you. You would appreciate it, but you probably wouldn't think that I put much thought into it. Now imagine I take that exact same gift and I put it in a better box, I wrap it, and I put a note inside. You're gonna feel that much more appreciated. So it's refreshing when a brand not only cares about its packaging, but it also includes a small thing like a garment bag. Some of the other pros besides presentation all come down to the small details. One of the many pros besides presentation are the Reflector Cuffs. The Reflector Cuffs are perfect for anyone who bikes a lot or walks in their daily commute, since safety and style usually don't go hand in hand. So this is a great little detail that sets this jacket apart from most on the market. Another pro is that I love the pockets on this jacket. There are 4 pockets, 2 front pockets and 2 on the inside, which are perfect for putting your wallet, keys, or your phone without making your outfit look bulky. The worst thing is having a jacket with fashionable pockets that aren't functional. I mentioned this before, but having a jacket that is machine washable is a game changer. We already have to spend money on dry cleaning for many of our shirts, our suits, so having any garment that is well made but machine washable ultimately brings your cost per wear way down, and you will get more use out of a jacket if you can machine wash it at home. So just the fact that I can not spend money to keep this jacket pristine and clean is a big bonus for me. Cons for me are, one, particularly this colorway attracts dirt a lot more than I thought it would, even though it is khaki. It picks up a lot of smudges, I've found, and so maybe if you are interested in this jacket, buying it in a navy or a black colorway may be better suited for you if your lifestyle is active. Lastly, if you live outside of the US, unfortunately, Northern Mark does not ship internationally. Now, they will try to make accommodations if you reach out to them via their information email, but for the most part, they do not ship internationally. All in all, Northern Mark has more pros than cons. If you enjoyed this review, head over to Northern Mark and receive 25% off of your first purchase with the promo code @AManAboutStyle. You'll see styles like this and our other personal favorite, the waterproof trench. If not, make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all things lifestyle and fashion. Till next time, be well.